Good morning, children. Welcome back to your online class. Let us we continue life cycle of frog. After we can start reptiles. Snake, turtles and lizards are reptiles. Reptiles also reproduce by laying eggs. They lay egg in holes in the ground. So they are giving egg in the holes only or not carrying also the egg. Other animals can come and eat the egg, but reptiles not caring about their egg. Mother reptiles do not take care of their egg. After laying eggs, they cover the egg with sand and go away. The egg receive warmth from hatching, the heat of the sun. From where they will get heat? The egg will get heat from the sun only. Sometimes these eggs are eaten by other animals. So they are not taking care of their animals. Insects, all insects like cockroach, housefly and butterfly lay eggs. Cockroach. A cockroach lay eggs. The egg hatches into a nymph or a baby cockroach. So from the egg it will be hatches to the nymph. Similarly to an adult cockroach, it shed its skin many times while growing into an adult. Listen carefully. The egg hatches into a nymph or a baby cockroach. A nymph is similar to an adult cockroach. It will be look like a adult cockroach. It sheds its skin many times while growing into an adult. This repeated shedding of skin is called molting. When it will be changed, the shedding of skin, this process is called molting. Thus, there are 3 stages in the life cycle of a cockroach. How many stages of life cycle in cockroach? It is 3 stages. Egg, nymph, adult cockroach. Next one is life cycle of butterfly. See butterfly. A butterfly has 4 stages in its life cycle. How many stage? 4 stage. So the butterfly is 4 stage. A female butterfly lay many eggs on leaves. They give eggs on the leaves only. Each egg hatches into a worm-like structure called larva or caterpillar. That worm-like structure, it will be grow, that we called a larva or caterpillar. A caterpillar eat leaves and grow very fast. On that time, the caterpillar eat leaves only and it will be grow very fast. After some time, it stops eating and secretes saliva to form a shelter around its body. After some time, it will cover the body that we called a cocoon. So, when the caterpillar eat leaves and grow very fast, after some time it stops eating and secretes saliva to form a shelter around its body. This is called cocoon. The caterpillar takes some rest inside the cocoon for some time. And when it become a cocoon, it will take some rest inside the cocoon. The stage of a caterpillar is called pupa. Inside the cocoon, the pupa changes into a butterfly and comes out of it. So, inside the pupa, the caterpillar takes some rest inside the cocoon for some time. This stage of caterpillar is called pupa. So, inside the cocoon, the pupa changes into a butterfly and comes out of it. After some day, it will be come out. When it will be make butterfly and comes out of it. A housefly also has 4 stages in its life cycle. How many stages of life cycle in housefly? 4 stages. The larval stage of a housefly is called a maggot. So the larva stage, it will be called a maggot. And here butterfly, the larva stage we can call caterpillar also. But in housefly, the larva stage is called maggot. So listen carefully. A housefly also has 4 stages in its life cycle. The larval stage of a housefly is called maggot. So egg, larva, pupa and adult butterfly. So again I am saying egg, larva, pupa and adult butterfly. Housefly watch each other constantly and follow each other to food sources. That is why there are always so many enjoying the same food. Yes? Say the answer, children. Lizard, turtle and snakes are called reptiles, mammals, insect, birds. Very easy. It will be reptiles. Good. Molting or shedding of old skin is found in, yes, molting or shedding of old skin is found in housefly, mosquito, grasshopper, cockroach. Yeah, cockroach. The third stage in the life cycle of a butterfly is called larva, egg, adult, pupa. The third stage of a butterfly is called, yes, pupa. Now, dash lay eggs in holes in the ground. Yes, reptiles. The whale is a fish or a mammal? Mammal, good. The process by which living organisms give birth to their babies is called? The process by which living organisms give birth to their babies is called reproduction. An egg yolk contains embryo. Frog lays a number of black colored eggs called spawn or tadpole. Yes, spawn. Now match the following: frog, tadpole, butterfly, pupa, bird, chick, lizard, reptile, shedding of skin, yes, molting. Again, frog, tadpole, butterfly, pupa, bird, chick and lizard, reptile, shedding of skin, molting. Name the young one of a frog. The young one of a frog is called a tadpole. Name the 3 stages in the life cycle of a tadpole. Yes, egg, tadpole and adult frog. Name the mammal that can fly. Anybody name a mammal that can fly? Bat. What are the contents in a hen's egg? What are the contents in a hen's egg? Hen's egg contains embryo, albumen and shell. Okay, thank you children.